Perhaps I've found a quiet street in my neighborhood. I'm heading directly towards the river. Hello. I want to talk about something. I'm shooting this right now with my Canon SX620HS, which shoots 1080p at 30 frames a second, and it does pretty good, except it's problematic. The autofocus sucks, especially in a pinch when you really need it to focus, and it just doesn't. And it's terrible in the wind. Terrible in the wind. The other thing is my GoPro 5, Hero Black 5, is getting old and beat up. And this is getting old and beat up. These are both 4 years old. It's time for me to replace them. What I'm doing is I've become an Amazon associate. And I'm putting links on this video where you can buy the cameras that I want. I will make a commission off of it. The camera I want is a Canon G7X Mark III. And the beautiful thing about it is that it's small format. You know, it's a point and shoot, basically. It's a good quality, high-end point and shoot. I'm gonna walk back up this street because it's pretty quiet. So the G7X Mark III is a Canon point and shoot, but it shoots 4K video, and it has an external mic jack, so I can plug in an external microphone and put a wind muff on it. It does a whole bunch of other things really beautifully that this does not. It's also an upgrade for me, which I'm desperately in need of. The other one is a GoPro 9, Hero Black 9, and it has been reconfigured. Well, I'm using a 5. There have been 4 iterations of this since I bought my 5. The Hero Black 9 has instituted super hyper image stabilization. And they're doing it through shooting in 5K and then trimming back the edges to 4K. That's how they're accomplishing it. And it looks beautiful. It's just beautiful. You can, you know, bolt it to your chest and go on a mountain bike ride through the mountains. Hero Black 9 trims off the edges and smooths it out, and it does a beautiful job. And I'm not sure exactly how it does it, but basically it's shooting in 5K and trimming it back to 4K and making that happen. The other thing is the microphone. I really want the ability to plug in external mic, and the first one will just be a lavalier mic that I can clip on my collar, record audio comfortably like this. Anyway, I'm trying to earn commissions through sales of my 2 favorite cameras through my Amazon Associate program. If y'all buy, and this is a full endorsement, I'm absolutely in love with the GoPro 9, Hero Black 9, and I'm also absolutely in love with the Canon G7X Mark III. So yeah, full endorsement, and this is definitely an ad. And please click on my associate link below and buy one of each, buy 5 of each. And I will make a little bit of money. I'm not sure. The associate program says I'll make between 1% and 10%, and so who knows, right? Who knows? And you get a discount by clicking on, I think you get a discount by clicking on my link. I don't know. That's not clear either. But please, you'll end up with 1 or 2 great cameras, and you'll be helping me out. It's a lot of fun. I keep doing it because it's a lot of fun, but I would really like my channel to start making some money. I'm at 650 subscribers, and I need 1,000 to share in AdSense revenues. And Google, YouTube has been putting ads on my videos for quite a while, and I'm not making any money from it. I'm going to keep trying to figure out how to make money on my channel. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. And I just walked down this street, and my house is that way 2 blocks, 2 long blocks. So cool. And I'm trying to work my way down to the river. Hello.